Did you know that the mistakes you make in feeding your puppy can cause him serious diseases and affect his health for life? If you love your puppy, this video will change your life and his forever. Pay close attention, because you are about to discover the 3 deadly mistakes in puppy food that most breeders fall into without knowing. Before we begin, if you care about your pet's health, click the like button now and subscribe to the channel. This helps us spread the content to as many dog owners as possible, and you might be the reason for saving another puppy's life. Mistake 1. Feeding the puppy adult dog food. This mistake is not just negligence, but a health problem that can permanently affect your puppy's growth. Adult dogs and puppies have completely different nutritional needs. Why is this mistake dangerous? Mineral balance. Adult dog food contains high levels of calcium and phosphorus that may cause serious problems in the puppy's bones and joints. Lack of protein and fats. Puppies need far more calories, protein, and fats than adult dogs to support their rapid growth. Vitamin deficiency. Adult dog food does not contain the essential vitamins and minerals that a puppy needs for the development of his immune and nervous systems. Practical tips. Read the label. Look for the phrase, puppy formula, or suitable for all life stages, on the food bag. Consult the veterinarian. Ask about the best food types suitable for your puppy's breed and age, especially if it is a large breed. Don't take risks. Even if adult dog food seems cheaper or more available, saving money now may cost you expensive medical bills in the future. Mistake 2. Overfeeding the puppy. Greedy dogs are adorable, but giving them more food than they need leads to obesity, which causes complicated health problems. Why is this mistake dangerous? Joint and bone problems. Excess weight puts tremendous pressure on the puppy's joints and bones that are still developing. Health issues. Obesity may lead to diseases such as diabetes, heart problems, and breathing difficulties. Behavioral change. An overweight puppy becomes less active and energetic, which affects his mental and physical development. Practical tips. Follow the guidelines. Stick to the amount specified on the food bag according to your puppy's age and weight. Set meal times. Create a fixed daily schedule for feeding your puppy and avoid leaving food in front of him all the time. Use toys. Give him interactive toys to keep him busy instead of feeding him whenever he feels bored. Mistake 3. Giving the puppy human food leftovers. Many of the foods we eat are safe for us, but they can be toxic or extremely harmful to dogs. Why is this mistake dangerous? Toxic substances. Foods such as chocolate, garlic, onions, and grapes can cause acute poisoning, liver damage, or even death. Digestive problems. Foods rich in fats or spices can cause pancreatitis, a painful and dangerous condition. Nutritional deficiency. Relying on leftovers prevents the puppy from getting the balanced nutrients he needs for his growth. Practical tips. Be firm. Do not give in to your puppy's sad eyes when he begs for food. His health is more important than anything. Offer healthy treats. Use dog-specific treats during training or as rewards, and choose types made from natural and healthy ingredients. Educate the family. Make sure all family members, especially children, are fully aware of the foods forbidden for the puppy. Now that you know the 3 mistakes to avoid, you are armed with the knowledge needed to ensure a healthy and happy future for your puppy. Remember, your puppy depends on you. Share this video with anyone who has a puppy, because this information could save a life. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will be happy to answer them.